Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate milkshake. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: cold milk, rich chocolate syrup, and your favorite chocolate ice cream. Ensuring everything is well chilled is key for the perfect frosty treat. You'll also need a reliable blender ready to go. This easy method will have you enjoying a delightful drink in no time. Now, let's combine our ingredients. Carefully pour 1 cup of cold milk into your blender. Next, add 2 to 3 generous scoops of your chosen chocolate ice cream. Finally, drizzle in about 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. These proportions create a wonderfully balanced flavor, but feel free to adjust to your personal taste. With all your ingredients inside, it's time to blend. Make sure the blender lid is securely fastened to prevent any spills. Blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds. Keep an eye on the consistency. You're looking for a smooth, thick texture without any ice cream chunks. If it's too thick, add a splash more milk. Your perfect chocolate milkshake is ready. Carefully pour the creamy mixture into a tall glass. For an extra special touch, add a fun straw and a dollop of whipped cream on top. You can also sprinkle some chocolate shavings if you like. Enjoy your refreshing, homemade chocolate milkshake right away while it's still wonderfully cold and delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.